my gosh. No, they did not. Just play with me. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bria and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on me unboxing and reviewing a wig that I got from WIGS.com. If you guys don't know what WIGS is, it is basically an app where you can go and buy regular things for a cheaper price. So it's kind of like an AliExpress, sort of. I used the app a couple times before. I have ordered like brushes from there and a couple makeup things from there, and it's legit. Like, don't get me wrong, it's legit. So I just tried to, you know, let me go and see these cute wigs they got over there, and let me go order one of those. So I have ordered one and it is here, and it's time to review and unbox this thing. If you guys want to see the wig that I ordered, stick around to the end of the video. So yeah, I have my box right here and it's time to see what we working with. Let me just go into the wig that I ordered and I'm going to show you guys what it looked like, just so I can give you guys a little bit of the background of the wig. This is the wig that I ordered right here. I thought it was real cute and long, and it's like a frontal wig. These are the pictures of the wig that's on the app. You know, it shows a couple of people wearing it. It's a lace front wig. So I seen that and I'm just like, oh, that's super cute. I'm going to buy it. You know, I want to see if it's real. And if it's real, that's going to blow my mind. I'm ready to open this, guys. So it has some paper in it. So we're just going to move that to the side. And no. This is not my wig. Oh my gosh. Oh, hell no. Y'all, this is not my wig that I ordered. This is nowhere near the wig that I ordered. Not even a little bit. This don't look like the wig I ordered. First of all, what is this? Okay. Where is the curls? Where is anything that's like this? It's nothing that's like this picture on here. Like, what kind of wig is this? They sent me a set it off wig. I'm not robbing no banks, sis. You know what, you guys? I gotta try this on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Maybe I can make, I mean, it's not bad when, I guess, it's not bad. Okay, I don't like these bangs. These things are like way too low. I look like a whole dream girl. My dream girl wig. We are dream girls, boys will make it happy. Yeah, we are dream girls, boys will always care. I look like a slope, dude. I look like a spy. Breathe on. Breathe on. This is not what I ordered. Is this what I get for ordering on Wish? Trying to get a wig. It don't even fit. It's not the right one. Where the curls at? Where all the fun? This is a bang. If you just even sent me a half wig or something that kind of looked like it, that was kind of curly a little bit, that did not have no bang. This wig have a whole bang. Bruh, I didn't order no bang. The shipping process was not quick at all. It took probably like almost a month to get here. It's like I'm super hurt, but it's like, what do I expect? But at the same time, I'm not thinking about, oh, what did you expect? I didn't expect me to have no set it off wig. Maybe I can finesse it. What y'all think? Y'all think I can finesse this? Like cut some out? I don't know. It do kind of look bad. So you guys see that the wig is not where it's at. The products are though. I'm gonna find something real cute to do with this wig, you guys. I'm gonna just redesign this, okay? It's actually not that bad though. Like, I guess with me playing with it, I want to see what I can do with it now. If you guys want to see how I recreate this wig, go down there and put those in the comments. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, you guys. See you later.